Questions about alcohol keep coming up in the social media, so it definitely seems worthwhile to go more in depth on the effects that alcohol can have on gain and for muscle growth. There are some issues with alcohol and muscle gain. Issue number one, protein synthesis. The biggest negative aspect of alcohol consumption when concerning bodybuilding is the fact that alcohol significantly decreases protein synthesis rate. This effect has been shown to occur even in combination with protein intake after a workout. Alcohol in combination with protein resulted in a protein synthesis rate almost 60% lower than protein intake without alcohol in a study. Why does alcohol reduce protein synthesis? It appears that alcohol affects the activation and translation of many different signals involved in the protein synthesis process like mTOR, IGF-1 concentration, etc. Issue 2, hormones. Alcohol appears to negatively affect insulin sensitivity. Studies also show that alcohol consumption after a workout can prolong the amount of time that the catabolic hormone cortisol is elevated in the blood. High levels of cortisol for extended periods of time is associated with muscle loss. Other studies have shown alcohol to decrease androgen receptor activity after exercise, and if the androgen receptor is inactivated or impaired, testosterone cannot communicate with the cell. Alcohol is a well-known diuretic because it affects the release of the antidiuretic hormone in the body. Which brings me to the issue number 3, that is recovery. Consuming alcohol after a dehydrating activity like a workout can slow the rehydration process drastically. Hydration is incredibly important for many cellular functions and overall performance, so extending the amount of dehydration time has nothing but negative consequences. Dehydration is also correlated with elevated levels of cortisol. Alcohol is a central nervous system depressant that causes brain activity to slow down. The consumption of alcohol, especially in excess, has been linked to poor sleep quality and duration. Studies have shown that alcohol use can exacerbate the symptoms of sleep apnea. We know now that when it comes to recovery, sleep is supreme. So, what are the practical applications here? First and foremost, if you're wanting to maximize muscle gains and performance, you're best off avoiding alcohol altogether. It's clear that high level of alcohol should not be combined with training, and super intense training should not be combined with alcohol. If you are planning a night out with friends, it's perfectly fine to have some fun but know the consequences and plan training and nutrition accordingly, and also try to get some extra sleep to aid in recovery from your night out. Plan on increasing protein intake to make up for the decrease in protein synthesis rate with alcohol. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.